So I recently came across this cool print. You know, just a normal bear trap. Nothing special. Okay. So I figured, I wonder how well it'll work if it's just a little bigger. Alrighty. So I haven't tried it yet because I was afraid it's gonna break. Because this bottom piece, I already broke the first one I made because I printed it in the incorrect orientation. So it was too weak to hold the support, the tension of the support. Alrighty. That's pretty cool. And it did not break. So you could see the tensions right there. And he comes back to this piece. This is the piece that broke the first time because I printed it flat. It wasn't strong enough, so I printed it, you know, on the side, and it came out much stronger, and it didn't even break. It's a survived outlet. Let's give it one more go and see how it goes. It springs itself.